fucking mountain. I'm not joking. It was a mountain. It was a mountain. Did it hurt? Did it hurt? Just a bit. Yeah, just a fucking tiny bit. But there's still cacti in me. There's still cacti in me. Yeah, no.
This is the world's most safe house.
You're right. I have no issue going to a gun range. I go to a gun range often.
I was born in Colombia, where like people get killed by guns all the time. But
all right.
I think it's good to know how to protect yourself.
Yeah. Okay. I do. I just go like this. See how fast that was?
That was right.
That's an elbow to the face.
Yeah.
If a motherfucker gets too close, I'm just like, listen, bro. I don't want. And they're like, what did you do to me? What did you do? And I go, and they're like, Seer, stop! Seer, stop! And then I wake up. I'm 8 years old. I'm late to school. My mom's yelling at me. Nintendo 64. You know.
We probably have the same dad.
Do you think we have the same boobs?
I mean, I don't know about you, but like, I have milk in mine. Not gross.
It froze.
No.
If anybody does that in the near future. Boom! You got it. Oh my god. Sorry. Oh my god! Why'd you do that? I was like, no.
This is not the game we just watched the trailer of. Did I get the right game? Is this gonna be like some TOS shit now? Pain cast aside and struggle for love long denied. Oh, Wolfington. My one and only gentle wolf. Dude, I am so ready to switch the scene here. Won't you show me your gentility? Nah. Hold up. I will, my dearest sheeply. For I love and respect you deeply. Tonight, our spirits at long last lock. So now I will show you my...
Wait a second.
Oh, thank God I fucking knew it!
That's just stupid.
She's writing a fanfic, dude! Oh my God.
Yeah, people in chat mentioned FIFA too. That's a whole new can of worms. That's probably worse than all of them.
Well, FIFA's just a gacha game where you collect middle-aged millionaires instead of anime.
What about the cold Korean noodles that we had?
What if we got Soma? Soma? Somebody's nuts in your mouth.
Oh,
Oh my god.
oh my
I
god.
love it. Seriously.
I was gonna say, everybody bounces this game out. What is that?
Shit. Oh God. I've seen
Why
that.
are you saying that? You know what this is?
I've seen that before.
Wait,
Oh,
I've seen
no.
that. Oh, no. I think I know where this is. But how did Google get here? Wait, how did Google get here? No, I'm wrong. I'm guessing, but I'm wrong. I'm guessing, but I'm wrong. I have to be.
What?
Wait, I was so wrong.
You put it
I was so wrong.
It's sort of heavy.
Wait, what?
Wow.
If you want to like send it to them.
Can you work at Logitech Korea?
They're a partner. Yeah, you're welcome. But so what we do, we're into sim racing, motorsport.
What?
Yeah, so
I have a friend who loves
What?
that stuff.
really? So we were hoping that you would also. I'm not
Wait,
trying
you
to
have a
promote
friend that's into
anything,
sim
but
racing? You have a friend into sim racing? What?
Yeah?
Do you have one of these?
No.
That's for you.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Can you, can you ship it to her?
No. This is fine.
Do you have a lot of baggage?
This is fine. We can stack it on my car.
Yeah.
It is sort of heavy. We just circled around for like 30 minutes trying to find you guys.
Yeah. Jake, would you hold it? Yeah. Oh, wait, I gotta get these guys contacts. These guys might know the stuff we were talking about earlier. Really? Yeah, they might.
Of course.
Because they probably know some drivers.
We even made some promotional material.
Oh my.
AMX loves Pokemon.
That is so cute.
Wait, what?
Please race with us.
Do you have